me a second to share. जो लोग इस वक्त हमें लाइव देख रहे हैं, प्लीज कमेंट एंड कंफर्म दैट यू आर सीइंग अस लाइव सो वी कैन बिगिन. Can see that it's has gone live, so just share this here. जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी. फरूख मलिक हमारे साथ हैं इस वक्त. जी कैसे हैं फरूख भाई आप?
जी अल्लाह का शुक्र सर, आप ठीक हैं?
So let me do a little bit intro. As we can see, Farooq Malik was a pretty good rock star, and he has been hitting with amazing figures from his European business, and then recently he started US business in Amazon Marketplace, and he rocked the show, and then he came up with like straight away with $50,000. So obviously I received so many questions कि जी प्रॉफिट मार्जिन क्या है, कितने में स्टार्ट किया, कैसे लर्न किया, कहाँ से हुआ सब कुछ, कैसे पॉसिबल है इतनी जल्दी, एंड ऑल दिस. तो मतलब it's always good to have the people actually who has achieved this. Obviously he must have received help, but इसमें अपना भी बहुत बड़ा किरदार होता है कि अपनी डेडिकेशन और अपनी मेहनत के साथ उसने जो अचीव किया. So it's always good to learn from people. So the thank you for Farooq actually for coming into this live conversation. So let me start with the first few questions जो कि मुझे आपकी सक्सेस स्टोरी पोस्ट करने के बाद आए कि आपको Amazon का सबसे पहले कब पता चला, मतलब कब से आपने स्टार्ट किया? Just start from your initial journey, how it began, and then where it leads to this basically, because you have a pretty good European success story, and now I'm US success story. So, and what's your plan now? So, it would be good to get your understanding.
Right, sir. So first of all, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I came here to tell everyone about my story, and yes, I started it a year and a half before, back in 2018, mid or late you can say. And I started off actually with American market. I started with the US market initially. I went there with a product when I started off. So it was pretty good actually in the beginning. तो ये मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि जब मैंने अपना पहला प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया एंड इट वाज एक्चुअली इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एंड आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ एंड इट वाज रियली गुड फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 to 3 मंथ. वो इतना अच्छा था कि आई फेल्ट लाइक हैविंग नो नीड फॉर इवन लॉन्चिंग इट. ठीक है, आई स्टार्टेड इट एंड द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग ऑर्गेनिक ऑर्डर्स. ठीक है, I started off with a very little PPC and I was really good going. तो all of a sudden I knew कि हुआ ये सर कि पिछली जो प्रोडक्ट मैंने चूज किया था उसमें उस वक्त जब मैं एंटर हुआ तो सेलर थे और बायर ज्यादा थे, बट लाइक इन 2 months टाइम सेलर्स बहुत ज्यादा आ गए और बायर्स रिमेन, राइट. तो एक प्राइस वॉर का हो गई कि सब लोगों ने अपनी प्राइसेस को रिड्यूस करना शुरू कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से आई हैड टू डू द सेम just to stay in the market and stay in that niche. So what happened was eventually I end up having losing money on each sale I made on that. So there were actually 2 options for me. एक ऑप्शन ये थी कि मैं उस प्रोडक्ट को वहीं रोकता और उसको डंप करता, क्योंकि मैंने जिन लोगों के बारे में पढ़ा हुआ था कि जिनके साथ ये ट्रेजेडीज हुई थी, आई थॉट फर्स्ट कि जिसके साथ लॉन्चिंग पहले प्रोडक्ट में ही ऐसे कई सेलर्स थे. मैंने एक सेलर की स्टोरी पढ़ी जो कि पाकिस्तानी था. ठीक है, और उसने लिखा हुआ था कि I lost my first product inventory and I went again with complete energy, second time with more, perhaps more energy. तो and I meant to and I'm earning so much. तो उस चीज ने मुझे encourage किया and I decided to change the marketplace and change the product. So I changed the product, I changed the market, I went to Europe and I started on. और मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया तो मेरी नीश के अंदर जो टॉप सेलर था वो 3,000 पाउंड की सेल कर रहा था और इवन दो इट वाज नॉट अ वेरी बिग नीश बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 2 महीने बाद आई वाज डूइंग 8,000 ऑन द टॉप and right after 3 to 5 months I was the top seller and so I am today alhamdulillah. ठीक है, and I'm making 38 to 40,000 pounds a month in Europe. So things went really good for me alhamdulillah in Europe and I stood what I lost in USA. So there was
थोड़ा सा
something
फर्क वॉइस इश्यूज लोगों को आ रहा है आई कैन
वॉइस
सी
इशू आपके एंड पे है, इसको आप अपना स्पीकर अगर वॉल्यूम कम करेंगे मेरी आवाज ऊपर हो रही है आपके एंड पे से।
लेट मी एक्चुअली जी अब बोलिए आप
Yes, sir. It's fine now. Exactly. So I was about to say that in fact. अच्छा, तो सर उसके बाद फिर there was something inside me कि alhamdulillah now I'm successfully on the top of my niche in Europe और I'm selling really good and I'm alhamdulillah ruling that niche अल्लाह के फजल से. But there was something deep inside के मैंने यूएस में लॉस किया, क्या यूएस इतनी बड़ी मार्केट है कि मैं वहाँ काम नहीं कर सकता और क्या मैं वहाँ नहीं बेच सकता कोई प्रोडक्ट. तो आई डिसाइडेड अगेन टू स्टार्ट विद अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट, not the one I lost in USA last time. So I actually chose another product and I chose a big budget. And this time I went with a couple of variations in a very big niche. So, and Alhamdulillah, in 3 months' time, I managed to have 50K of sales as you have seen.
ठीक सो आई थिंक दानिश बेग जो हैं वो थोड़े से कोई he wanted a bit more of conversation so let's understand more of basic points जिसमें just start from here जो कि सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आता है यार कि कितने पैसों से स्टार्ट किया हर कोई ये पूछता है how much investment is required to get success or actually come to the level where actually you can make profit. So आपकी दो सक्सेस स्टोरीज हैं, one is in Europe and one is in US. तो उसमें आप क्या समझते हैं?
सर मैं अपने तमाम कोलीग्स को, स्टूडेंट्स को, दोस्तों को, सबको यही मशवरा देता हूँ कि ऑलवेज स्टार्ट योर Amazon जर्नी फ्रॉम अ लो मार्केटप्लेस, अ लो रेवेन्यू मार्केटप्लेस, अ लो ट्रैफिक मार्केटप्लेस लाइक यूरोप. ठीक है, इट इज नॉट एनी मोर लो. It used to be, but not anymore. But it is quite lower in competition than USA. So I always will recommend everyone कि please आप लोगों ने जब भी अपनी Amazon की जर्नी स्टार्ट करनी है, it is always recommended to start from Europe. उसकी कई वजूहात हैं. एक वजह तो ये है कि सर यूके इज नॉट दैट हाई कंपटीशन मार्केट राइट नाउ. दूसरी रीजन ये है कि यू कैन एट अ टाइम यू कैन स्टार्ट सेलिंग इन 5 मार्केट प्लेसेस लाइक यूके, जर्मनी, फ्रांस, इटली एंड स्पेन एंड नाउ इन नीदरलैंड्स एज वेल. Okay, and you can see either your product is going to be okay or not, and you can then launch your same product in USA if you are earning good in Europe. That's what I believe. And you can start in Europe in 10 to 15,000 US dollars. You can manage to start, but I don't believe that anyone is thinking about starting your product in $10,000 in USA. Then that is truly a nightmare. That's what I say.
ठीक सो इसमें इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रॉफिट मार्जिन जो है वो आपका कितने मंथ्स के बाद स्टार्ट हुआ? I mean, I'm sure I know the answer, but would be good to get the answer for this.
सर आप यूएस की बात कर रहे हैं या यूरोप की?
I mean, recently you posted about US, so US ka profit margin start getting.
Sir, actually, it all depends. What I believe is that you shall always choose a high revenue niche. Don't worry about the competition. If you have good money in your pocket, start with a high competition niche and invest as much as you can in that product. Invest in a way that you go with a couple of variations, perhaps as many variations as you can, and you go with very good quality images, very good quality listing optimized, and you go with a very aggressive launching. Once you're on the top, I believe that I managed to have it 1 month's time. एक महीने दूसरे महीने में I was earning 23% net profit on it, alhamdulillah. But I
Right.
had to spend a lot of money. It was like maybe 25 to 35,000 US dollars. Yeah.
ठीक ठीक ठीक. So it's a definitely great achievement. So इसका ये मतलब obviously नहीं है कि आप भी ये करेंगे तो होगा, but I'm sure कि it requires a hard work, dedication और mindset which you must have applied. So इसमें आपका कितना time consume होता था, क्या करते थे? Obviously this seems like very easy. अच्छा इतने पैसे होंगे तो मैं invest करूंगा और मैं product launch करूंगा, so I will get after a month or 2 months. I'm sure it's not like this. So like उसमें क्या आप समझते हैं जो unique चीजें आपने की, टाइम कितना स्पेंड किया, और मतलब सप्लायर्स कहाँ से सोर्सिंग की आपने, रिव्यूज कैसे गैदर किए? सो इट वुड बी गुड टू गेट सम मोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑन दैट एज वेल।
श्योर सर। सर मैंने अपनी वीडियोस में भी और तमाम जो भी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको भी मैं ये बताता हूँ कि ट्राई टू सोर्स फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान एज मच एज यू कैन इफ द प्रोडक्ट इज अवेलेबल इन गुड क्वालिटी इन पाकिस्तान। इसके बहुत से फायदे हैं। एक फायदा तो ये है कि सर आप डायरेक्टली उस प्रोडक्ट को विजिट कर सकते हैं अपनी शिपमेंट्स जब प्रोडक्शन में है। जब वो प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस हो जाती है, शिपमेंट जा रही है, तो आप उसकी रैंडम चेकिंग कर सकते हैं। नंबर 2 ये कि सर हमारे मुल्क को रेवेन्यू आएगा, ठीक है। और नंबर 3 ये कि सर ऑब्वियसली इट इज वेरी इजी टू मैनेज एवरीथिंग व्हेन यू हैव इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, ठीक है। तो और उसमें मेरे ख्याल में कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव भी है पाकिस्तान एज कम्पेयर टू अदर कंट्रीज लाइक यूएसए एंड चाइना in few products, I would say. But first of all, you have to check if your product is available in very good quality in Pakistan, number 1. दूसरा सर ये कि yes, you have to spend at least 4 to 8 hours a day, at least 4 and maximum 8 hours a day initially for the first 2-3 months when you're launching your product in private label. But once your product is ranked, as I'm sitting in front of you right now and giving the interview, so I don't have any problem while my sales are being done on the back.
Yeah, that's amazing. Isme a question, let me read some questions as well to engage some audience. So just one of the question is कि आपका जो पहला फेलियर हुआ था यूएस में, वो क्या रीजन थी उसकी?
सर पहले फेलियर की रीजन ये थी कि इवन दो आई चोज द राइट प्रोडक्ट बट आई डिड नॉट एक्चुअली सी द हाई रेवेन्यूज इन दैट। आई सॉ द मीडियम कंपटीशन इन इट, ठीक है। मैंने हाई रेवेन्यूज को नहीं देखा, मैंने मीडियम कंपटीशन को देखा इस डर से कि बड़ी मार्केट है, मैं अगर हाई कंपटीशन प्रोडक्ट में जाऊंगा और वो ऑब्वियसली हाई रेवेन्यूज होंगे तो आई वोंट बी एबल टू रैंक माय प्रोडक्ट which was totally wrong actually. Okay, एंड व्हाट हैपेंड कि वो मीडियम कंपटीशन था लेकिन लो रेवेन्यू था, तो रेवेन्यू उसका बढ़ा नहीं और जैसे ही कंपटीशन उसमें बढ़ा तो इट वाज अ डेड प्रोडक्ट।
ठीक, so that was your main mistake. So अभी हर सेलर को obviously रिव्यूज चाहिए होते हैं। अभी आपकी रिव्यूज लेने की क्या स्ट्रेटजी है? हाउ डू यू टेक रिव्यूज फॉर योर एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट?
Sir, I believe on launching my product on break even and launching it with PPC. In that strategy, you can get reviews originally without even asking anyone. And initially, you can go for rebate key in USA as well if you're doing US, and if you're doing UK, PPC is the best tool for that. You go with best quality product on break even price for your first shipment. Once you are on break even for your first shipment and you're doing your PPC and the quality of the product is good, people trust me, people will give you 5-star reviews themselves. You don't need to even ask anyone.
Right. ठीक ठीक. Obviously quality is the key, so needs to make sure कि आपकी जो product quality है it's good enough, then you trust your product, so you don't need to worry about कि as long as you're getting sales, so organic reviews should come definitely. So इसमें बताइए कि आपने अभी कोई obviously you're making quite a good sales, so is this something you do on your own और क्या कोई VA hire किया हुआ है या किस तरह से you're managing all those tasks?
Sir, I'm doing everything on my own. One man show. PL is a class in this, and private label का सबसे बड़ा edge यही है कि a single person can manage, I believe, maybe 20 to 30 listings as far as I can do that anyway. So, and I would like to add one more thing, that I'm on the in US I'm on the 4th number in terms of organic rank, and I'm on the 5th number in terms of revenue, with the 7 reviews only. And all the sellers above me are having more than 4 to 5,000 reviews. So there's a myth that you have to get certain number of reviews to be on the top. This is also totally wrong. That's what I have seen in my product, at least.
चलें, that's good. So आपने अपनी product को कैसे find किया? Is like Jungle Scout, Helium, or you just come up and woke up and say, "Oh, let me sell this." What was your process to select this winning product?
Sir, I always tell everyone there is only one criteria. According to me, there are so many different procedures for everyone. You may have a different strategy. Somebody else may have a different strategy. But what I have is, okay, you shall always be looking for a product which is being used in every house. हर घर की जरूरत है. It does not mean at all कि वो हर रोज यूज होता हो, but it means कि वो यूज होता हो हर घर के अंदर, वो हर घर की जरूरत हो. ठीक है सर. सो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल बेडशीट हर घर की यूज है, मतलब it's being used in every house. So it doesn't matter अगर एक
Yeah.
but it's being used. So you shall always select a product which is daily use or everyday use product in a house. So that's what you shall be going for, rather than choosing a trendy or a seasonal one.
So let me go step by step. So you created US account and then you actually launched the product by looking at some factors कि क्या घर की ज़रूरत है. We won't talk about your product. So you're sourcing from Pakistan, right? So you're sourcing from Pakistan, and then you are actually not focusing about this listing promoters or paying people to give reviews.
Not at
You're
all.
mainly
Not at all. Not
you're
at all.
so yeah, so you're focusing on PPC and then getting the organic reviews. How many variants do you currently have in your listing, which actually takes it to the $50,000 a month?
Yeah, I have 12 variations, sir.
Okay, so you have 12 variants against that.
Yeah.
और अब आपको वो कितने की पड़ती है एक प्रोडक्ट जो है कितने की पड़ती है? Sourcing price, landing price might be.
Sir, landing price should be around, I believe, including fees. You're saying, yeah, sirf landing price, other than FBA fees.
Other than FBA, so पाकिस्तान से सोर्स होकर अमेरिका तक जब आप पहुंचाते हैं तो
between $4 to $5.
4 to 5, and your selling price is what?
Selling price is
If you,
19 to 20 US.
okay, so it's a decent
It is,
sort
yeah.
of.
23% is clear profit, and I may ask for 27%, but 23 I've calculated is 100% clear profit, net margin.
ठीक, this is good. So, आप obviously it's a great success. Basically, I'm sure that you were not born as an IT background person, and it just basically started, and you never gave up. और फिर उसके बाद you have created other success stories as well. So, लोग अक्सर जो होता है जब खुद success हो जाते हैं, they just don't care about. Yeah, I'm just making my money. So it's a great. That's why I brought you in कि लोगों को पता चलना चाहिए कि not just getting the 50,000 and then फिर वो कहते हैं कि फिर आसमान पे बंदा पहुंच जाता है or something, but it's the mindset which we have, the same mindset कि खुद enable हुआ है फिर लोगों को enable कर रहे हैं. So it's very good actually which you're doing. So just a last one or more questions, then I'll take your final words. I'm actually taking from the people. So please elaborate on how you managed to get a product to give high revenue with only 7 reviews. Quite unbelievable. Obviously, it seems unbelievable. How do you say that thing? मतलब कैसे?
Yeah, that's a very tricky question actually, because there is a myth for everyone out there that you need to have this much reviews to be on the top. Okay? Actually, what happened was I felt something we always have a fear of going with a lot of variations, which was a very new experience for me. I went with 12 variations, which nobody can think of launching for the first time. Perhaps I was doing it for the second time, but it was for the first time in a way that I was redoing it in USA. So I had a fear that either it's nothing left or it's on the top. So Alhamdulillah, I ended up having on the top. So I believe the key to my success was basically going with 12 variations. कि अगर कोई customer या buyer is willing to buy my product and he came into my listing, so he has 12 options to buy among them. So why will he not buy at least a single one? So yeah, that idea triggered, and I did not need any hundreds of thousands of reviews for that.
राइट और आपने प्रोडक्ट भी वो सोर्स की जिसकी कोई इतनी सोर्सिंग वैल्यू भी नहीं है सो यू कैन हैव मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट्स इट्स मोर ऑफ अ मल्टीपल एसेंस इनटू वन लिस्टिंग बेसिकली सो
Multiple. That's right.
मेरी दुकान पर आए तो मेरी दुकान से कोई खाली हाथ ना जा पाए सो ही कैन सी ऑल द कलर्स और मे बी द साइजेस आई डोंट वांट टू से कलर्स बट उसमें से वो सारी चीजें देखकर कुछ ना कुछ लेकर जाए सो इट्स बेसिकली मे बी द लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम माय साइड इज कि आपको Amazon का और एनेबलर्स का कब पता चला किस ईयर और मंथ में ताकि द पीपल कैन सी कि कब से आपने स्टार्ट किया और आज आप 7 अप्रैल 2020 जब सब लॉकडाउन है उसमें आप ऑब्वियसली कहाँ स्टैंड करते हैं सो उसकी ड्यूरेशन क्या लगी जब व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली मेकिंग 70 से 80 लाख पाकिस्तानी रुपीस की सेल पर मंथ इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग एंड सेम फॉर द यूरोप एज वेल तो कितना टाइम ड्यूरेशन आपको इसमें लगा इस लेवल पर आने के लिए
Sir, it was August. I still remember it was August 2018 when I had one-to-one training from Faisal Saab, the COO of Enablers. And then after that, I launched my first product in USA in the very start of 2019. And it was, I still remember, it was March when I ended up losing 2 million PKR in that product. And then I started my second product and near somewhere around September in UK, and it was amazing in December and January as well. So then I started the same product in January, in the very start of January, this US wala, and it's going great right now. So your voice is not coming.
जी जी सो दैट्स डेफिनेटली ग्रेट सो अभी हमारे पास साथ बहुत सारे लोग वॉच कर रहे हैं हमें लाइव तो आई विल जस्ट टेक योर फाइनल वर्ड्स के आप क्या कहोगे obviously I've said this many times but since you have been the hot topic so it would be good to get your wording कि आप क्या कहते हो न्यूबीज को क्या करना चाहिए how do they start it if they have no clue और जो लोग अभी launch stage पे हैं product hunting stage पे हैं just more of a message to everyone who is watching you or will be watching you because this is a recording so will be available anyway.
Sir, I always said, and I will say again to everyone, please do not fear from getting lost in Amazon business or having loss in Amazon business. Focus on your product, focus on your skills, see what others are doing, and do it. Do not worry about ending up having a loss. Loss is just a beginning, and it's not the end. That's what my story is all about. If in the first product which I launched, I ended up losing 2 million PKR. I had two ways. One way was to go back again to the business which I was doing before doing this business or before coming to Amazon business. And the second option for me was to go again and strike back. And I did the second option. I went for the second option. I striked again in a different marketplace. And Alhamdulillah, even if Khuda na khasta मैं fail भी हो जाता दूसरी attempt में, if I had money, I would have gone for the third one. So I believe on doing what you want to do, but keep, I always believe that you shall make it your passion first before making it as your business. If you're just doing it to earn money, there are a lot of other things you can do. But if you're doing it as you love it, then there's nothing stopping you at all.
Right, this is great. I think it's a great message for everyone. Okay, the person who was doing something else, being introduced to Amazon business, and then getting a crazy success, and then also enabling others. So, and from Multan, obviously, where the people just think कि यार वहाँ सिर्फ सोन हलवा या इस तरह की चीजें मिलती हैं. It's not like this. We have seen कि वहाँ पर फरुख जैसे लोग भी उभरते हैं. So it's more of एक सीख का नाम जो है. I think it's been known via Farooq. So it's a great to have you today.
Thank
so
you, sir.
inshallah, you will continue to help others as your experience, and we will also learn from you, because learning is always sort of cannot be stopped. So we've always learned from each other. So thank you very much once again, and see you soon with 100K, inshallah.
Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.